Hello everyone, today I'm making chicken curry in coconut sauce with sweet purple potato and dip with crusty Vietnamese baguette. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. I have chicken leg quarters. I like the flavor of them, but if you like the whole chicken, you go ahead. And I have the recipe and the list of seasonings in the description box below. If you want to read them, click on it. I have a new method of marinating, very effective. I render the chicken fat and I drop in my chicken pieces. This chicken was already washed, but no marinating yet. Now we are doing. I drop the skin and fat side down, so it's continue rendering more fat. When I see it's a little rendered on the other side, so I flip to the other side, the opposite side. And in the meantime, I mince garlic, ginger, shallot. For the lemongrass, I will keep whole and only I crush them. Sometimes people don't like the pieces of lemongrass in their mouth, so if so, you just go ahead, crush them and cook them. The oil in the lemongrass will exhaust the same way without chewing the pieces that you don't like to. Sometimes I chop them, sometimes I mince them, but sometimes I don't. You can use a Ziploc bag to crush them inside, or I use a ramen bag here, ramen noodle, and that's it. I flip my chicken now, and I make a space in the center, and I drop in my aromatic ingredients: garlic, ginger, shallot, lemongrass. And after that, we'll be on the seasoning. You see right there, the well in the center? And just go ahead, do that. And I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. You are the reason I'm here. If I know anything, I share with you here. So please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So right now I drop on the seasoning in, and the fish sauce I drop the last thing because I want on the other ingredients to saute a little bit, and after that I add the fish sauce so that it has a little liquid. And I flip the other side over so both sides in contact with the seasoning, and I turn up the heat, cool off, and I will put in the fridge overnight. Now the next day, I take my pot out and let it less cool a little bit, and I put back on the stove to cook them about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I cut the onion into, my onion is small, so I cut it into 6 wedges. It depends on your liking. You can make it big, or you can make it small. I like 6 wedges is enough, because when you cook, the onion leaves will separate it. Now for the purple sweet potato, I love purple sweet potato. They are so sweet. I bought them in farmer market, and I just wrap them with saran wrap and cook 2 minutes in the microwave, and they already cooked. Now I peel, and after that I use the melon boiler to hollow them out to make small round pieces of sweet potato bones, so that is nice to present on my dish later. You can see when the potatoes are raw, you will have a hard time to boil them, but when they cook, it's so easy. They soft and easy. And I love the small balls like that. Look very, very nice. And you wait and see later when I present my dish on the plate. They will be looking good. Now I cook. After 10 minutes of cooking, I add the liquid, that means water. I add liquid around the level of the chicken, because I make this chicken to eat with bread, so I don't need a lot of water. But if you eat this with noodles, then you will add more water. Now I check about after 25 minutes my chicken is cooked through, and I add the coconut sauce, and after that I add the onion, and I brought up to the boil, and that's it. I don't cook the chicken with the coconut sauce too much, because the more you cook, the oil from the coconut sauce will be oily. Now I turn off the heat and I cut my bread to go with the curry chicken. This is the bread that I make from the sourdough, so they are very good. I love it. And normally when I bake my bread, I put them directly into the freezer. Whenever I need, I take out and toast them 4 minutes in the microwave oven toaster, and my bread will become just back from the oven. It's so good. I love that. Now let's present the food on the plate. I get some on of the meat out, and then I will take some of the onion wedges, and you realize that I didn't put the purple sweet potato inside the pot. I want to keep them whole and the real color, so that I put on top of my plate, and they pops. So, but if you just eat, you don't need presentation. You put the sweet potato together with your curry, so that it heat up and warm for you, and it's mingled with the sauce. Now I present my sweet potato onto my curry. I love the colors of the purple sweet potato, and I tasted it. Wow, that's so sweet. I tried to sprout them, but so far I haven't been successful, and I like to have to be able to grow them. And that's it. I have some purple flower, I have some purple drink, and that's it. I'm ready to eat, and you are invited. Thank you for watching. Please come back soon to see me and watch my videos. Bye bye.